Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a new session and immediately pick the right sample rate and bit depth. This prevents quality mismatches later. Once done, add a track and choose stereo for full mixes or mono for single microphones, then name the track so you don't lose focus. Import your files or arm the track for recording, and make sure to enable input monitoring if you need to hear yourself. This first setup reduces rework and keeps levels consistent as you move forward. You now clean and shape the sound, trim leading and trailing silence, and add short fades to eliminate clicks. Then apply corrective EQ, use a high-pass filter near 80 Hz for voice, and notch any resonant peaks to reduce muddiness. Once tonal balance feels right, add compression to control dynamics, set a moderate ratio, dial the threshold to taste, and tweak attack and release so the result breathes naturally. These steps tighten the mix and make each element sit in its intended space. You finish by routing tracks to buses, balancing levels, and comparing to a reference so tonal and loudness targets are clear. Once balanced, place a limiter on the master and set its ceiling to -0.1 dB to avoid clipping. Render at your session's sample rate. Export stems if collaborators need them, and save the session while noting plugin versions. If you hear distortion after export, check for hidden clipping on any track and lower the bus gain before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.